Alright, here's a quick video on this Star ATG working. There's the controller all turned on, lights are on, got everything but coolant going, so we're going to go ahead and go through each axis. Here's the x-axis. You see this moving forward and backward. See that? Okay. And then we got the y-axis. Up and down, all wonderful. Z-axis. That's just fine. A-axis. Both directions, just great. B-axis. Table moves in and out. And then the W-axis.